Hello and welcome to a Marking Made Easy tutorial. My name is Enda, I'm a co-founder and fellow teacher, and today I'm going to show you how to create feedback labels using the EasyMarker. So this is a great tutorial if you've just got one, you want to learn how to use all the features. So today I'm going to show you how to use the most basic text feature and a little bit about how to use the QR code to link any web page and some ideas of how to use it in the classroom. So first, when you open your app, you can select New in the bottom corner, and that will let you create a new label. Here we're going to just give our label a name, general feedback, and you'll see here all our labels are 50 by 50. So that's nice enough space to give lots of feedback but not take up too much space on their book. And the rest we don't need to worry about. So now we've got this page here, you'll see the features along here. So today we're going to focus on looking at text and a little bit about the QR code. So let's jump into the text feature. When you select text, a box like this will come up and you can put any text you want in. You can type or use our speech to text feature. There's two main areas. I'm going to play around with it here on organizing it. So you have position and attributes. So the position, I can move up, down, left, or right. The attributes will then determine the text. So I can change how it's wrapped. Let's put another little bit of text in here. I can change the height if it auto heights to the box I'm in. I can change the font and the size down here, and the font style, if you want to bold it, underline anything, and its alignment. So you can see I'm kind of building a label here. I'm going to make another heading. I'm going to make challenge. I'll underline that and bold it so it stands out using the attributes section. And then I'm going to put some text under it. So again, in the attributes area, I can decide what that text looks like. I usually wrap to Word. I find that looks the nicest, but you can wrap to characters or you can get it all close, meaning as you keep typing, it will keep squishing into. So here, I'm going to put another little bit of text to try finish my label, and I'll show you how to use this feature here, a QR code. So I'm going to pop some text in here. And now I want to put a QR code. So I'll select the QR code and something like this will pop up. Then I can move it to where I want. And here's where I put the link in. So once that link is in, that QR code will link to that feature. I'm just going to organize it a little bit now and kind of tidy it up, and then my label is finished. So that's just setting up a basic label, but there's loads of different possibilities. On our cloud feature, we have lots of these templates set up, so you can just grab it and start editing. Here's the classic of the 2 stars and a wish. Here, if you want to make a department style of what you want yourself and your teachers to do. For example, here's our science department. We've put you can put images in, logos. I'll have another tutorial all about that feature. Then you can put to improve. We always like to have our feedback something you can action, something the students can do, so they're always responding. There are two ideas, and there's lots more up to you to decide. Here we love to create checklists. So it's fantastic in science. Here we have an equation one. So if students are using an equation, they work through the method and see how they're doing with each step, and if something goes wrong they can go back to that. Another one is using graphs. We do lots in science. I'm sure there's lots in maths too, so it's great. You can use this before as a guiding tool or after as a check-in, and the students can self-assess there. Here's an example where they just ticked, oh okay, I did this, I need to fix these areas. So again, lots of possibilities with the QR codes. Some ideas: I like to link my Google Classroom and put it on the student books. I like to put some websites that have lots of revision tools available, or some key resources you use a lot, like a periodic table or something that I want them to check up and use frequently, like equation checklist and stuff. So lots of possibilities. Here are some ideas for assessment checkpoints. So on this side on the left here, I've checked the student's book. I made these labels myself where I have 5 different things I find that students get caught up when learning this topic. So I checked the student's book and I found they weren't too sure about how to prepare an onion slide. So I just asked them, can you line out the steps? And they've done that for me. And here another area, they weren't too sure about this area, so I wanted them to check in on it. I can see they've done that now, and that confirms that they're stronger in that area. Another one is just a generic easy, medium, hard question set. So I've looked at the topic, built 3 questions, and I want to see, can they do this? How are they doing? Give them 10-15 minutes, let them sit through that, and that gives me a kind of idea of where they're at. Again, another idea, there is endless possibilities. So now I hope that helped. Go play with it, go try it out, go test it in the classroom. If you have any amazing ideas, let us know. Any questions, we're always here to help. All right, happy marking, have a great day.